L.G's direct drive washing machine has its motor attached directly to the center of the drum, which results in increased stability with minimum vibration. The unique 6-motion control technology rotates the drum at various speeds and directions for an amazing wash. The high-speed processor controls the DD motor, allowing you to wash with 6 types of motion. Here are a couple of examples how different motions work on different types of fabric. The stepping function uses a powerful torrent of falling water to remove dirt and stains on more heavy-duty items such as jeans. Similar to washing by hand, the gentle motion of the swing function allows you to clean delicate clothing without the worry of them being damaged.